Good morning, students. Welcome you all in this learning session. My dear students, today we are going to start a new and very interesting chapter which is titled as If I Were You. This chapter is taken from your book Beehive. And today we will study from page number 139 to 141. Dear students, the story starts with the scene that Gerard, who is a playwright, is busy in packing his bag, and another man who is similar in physique to Gerard enters into the room silently. He was having a revolver in his hand. He bumps accidentally against the table, and at the sound, Gerard turns quickly. Gerard saw that man and asked with a surprise, "Why are you here, mister?" Intruder answered, "I am happy to know that you are happy to see me. I don't think you will be happy for a long time. Hands up, please." Gerard said in a questioning way, "Your behavior is dramatic, not original." Intruder replied, "Try to be peaceful." He further said that, "Don't try to prove yourself smart. I will make you stand on your knees. But I want to know something from you." Gerard smartly and confidently replied to the intruder, "Anything you can ask. I know everything. I have the answers of all of your questions." Gerard further said, "I can tell you about my life history, but at one point of time the intruder interrupted and said, "I don't have any interest in your life history. Just answer only my questions." Intruder asked Gerard, "What is your name?" Gerard replied, "My name is Vincent Charles Gerard." Intruder again asked, "Do you run a car?" Gerard replied, "No, I don't run a car." Intruder became a little bit angry and said, "Now you are telling a lie. I am smarter than you. I know very well that you run a car." Intruder threatened Gerard to hurt him. Gerard then replied and accepted, "Of course I have a car, and that is in the garage." Intruder further inquired, "Do people often come here to meet you?" To this question, Gerard replied, "Very rarely people come here to meet me." "I know that you never meet with the tradespeople?" Intruder inquired. Gerard asked the intruder, "You know much about me, so why are you not telling something about yourself?" Intruder said, "I will tell you about myself a lot. When you will know why I am here, you will be surprised." Gerard asked the intruder, "Which line of crime you are a specialist?" Intruder replied, "Jewel robbery. I can live here nicely for some time." At this, Gerard became surprised and said, "You want to live with me, though I have not invited you." Intruder said, "You are not going to live here for long." Gerard said, "What do you mean?" Intruder answered, "This is a big surprise for you. I am going to kill you." Gerard said, "Why are you adding a murder in your crime list?" Intruder answered, "I will be sorry to do it, but because police is after me for a murder and they can't hang me twice." Gerard asked, "What would you get after killing me?" Intruder replied, "Freedom." Dear students, at this point, our content completes, and now it's time to move to question answer session. Dear students, the first question is on your screen, and the question is, what did the intruder have in his hand? It's a very simple question, and the options are a revolver, a knife, an iron rod, and none of the above. And the right answer is, my dear students, a revolver. Now the second question, my dear students, how did Gerard behave to see the intruder with a revolver in his hand? The options are: he started crying, second, he remained calm, third, he was nervous, and fourth one is he was fainted. And the right answer is, my dear students, he remained calm. Seeing the intruder with a revolver in his hand, Gerard remained calm. यानी वो शांत बना रहा, ना वो रोया, ना वो नर्वस हुआ, ना ही वो बेहोश हुआ. Now third question, my dear students, what does the intruder say about his speciality? Options are: murder, kidnapping, jewel robbery, all of the above. And the right answer is, my dear students, the intruder said about his speciality in jewel robbery. Okay. Now, dear students, fourth and last question. What was the intruder's plan? Option 1: to kill Gerard and disguise himself as Gerard. इसका मतलब ये होता है बेटा कि गेरार्ड को मार करके गेरार्ड बनकर जीना. सेकेंड, टू रॉब गेरार्ड, गेरार्ड को लूटना. थर्ड, टू स्टे विद गेरार्ड, गेरार्ड के साथ रहना, रुकना. एंड ऑल ऑफ द अबव. एंड द राइट आंसर इज, माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, टू किल गेरार्ड एंड डिस्गाइज हिमसेल्फ एज गेरार्ड. गेरार्ड को मार करके गेरार्ड बनकर रहना इंट्रूडर का प्लान था. Now it's time to get your classwork, and today's classwork is of one extract based question and two short answer type questions, and I request all of you to start answering these questions. If you have any problem, you can discuss with me. Okay, now thank you. All of you have enjoyed the session and understood the content properly. I promise to meet with all of you very very soon with the next module. Till then, take care of you, be happy, be positive, be energetic, and take care of yourself, my dear students. Thank you, my dear students. Well done.